The Ledge Helmet, park-proof. The all-new Ledge helmet features a clean, minimalist design drafting off the contours of the Combine for an understated classic skate look. Built for the abuse of jibbing, street, and park riding, featuring hardshell construction, ample venting, and our very low-profile and removable Auto-Lock 2 fit system. The Ledge features hardshell construction, removable Auto-Lock 2 fit system, on-the-fly vertical tuning, stack ventilation. Additional features include removable goggle retainer, removable ear pads, compatible with all aftermarket Giro audio systems, and seamless compatibility with all Giro goggles. The Ledge helmet, park-proof.
What's up, you guys? Wildhorn Outfitters here, showing you the brand new Drift Snow Helmet. Also the official supplier for the US ski and snowboarding team here in Utah. Super stoked to be a part of this, and let's jump right into some key features. Okay, let's highlight some very exciting features, starting with the top. This thing is styling. I can go down the slopes with confidence and not feeling like I have a big, bulky head that you typically see on most helmets. This thing is nice and snug on my head, and it's very, very, very comfortable. We have this ventilation system right here with a slider that goes down for when you want more airflow, and simply slide up when you want to keep it closed. Moving to the back, we have this snapback to hold your goggles in place. Underneath that, we have this micro adjustment, tighten it to the right and loosen it to the left for when you want that snug or loose fit on your head. One of my favorite features are the ear pads right here. They're gonna be Bluetooth compatible for when you're sending it down the slopes and wanna listen to some tunes. Without having some wires coming through your shirt or anything like that, these are gonna be simply right in your helmet and good to go. Wildhorn will be coming out with its own Bluetooth compatible earphones, and we'll get more into that later. Okay, so with all that being said, we have Ashley here, Olympic skier. Ashley, go ahead and introduce yourself a little bit.
Hi, I'm Ashley Caldwell. I'm a freestyle skier and the current world champion. I have a world record in the hardest trick ever done on skis by a female, ever. And I'm also a lifelong skier.
With your experience with all these helmets, tell me, what do you like about our Drift helmet?
So the first thing I noticed with helmet is shape and color, and I love the matte colors. Purple I would obviously choose, but also the shape of the helmet. It's not like really bulbous, so you're gonna look way cooler when you're wearing it, which is important. You know, look good first, good second. Yeah. Then the next thing I really like about it is the interior fabric. It's really soft, and you know, high quality. So like if it's against your neck, you're not gonna notice. It's not gonna be uncomfortable. Having this goggle strap is really important. It's the first way to look really dorky in a helmet. It's like your goggles are like halfway down your
They're
face,
just falling on
you have
your
a
face.
gap in between. That's no bueno. So you have to make sure that looks pretty cool.
And lightweight, right?
Oh yeah, it's super really lightweight. The system that helps you fit into your head, this twisting system to make sure that it's tight on the back of your helmet and really fits your head.
Welcome to Oakley Pro Tips. I'm Mike Turner, Category Manager here at Oakley, and today we're going to talk about the Mod 1. The Mod 1 is the newest helmet in the Mod series, where we have the Mod 5, which is geared towards our big mountain riders, our Mod 3, which is more of an all-mountain helmet, and our Mod 1 for those freestyle consumers. The Mod 1 is available in 3 configurations: Standard, Asian Fit, and Youth Fit. For the Asian Fit and Youth helmets, we did an extensive fit trial to understand the length and width of the helmet to make sure that it fits appropriately. Within the Mod 1, we wanted to make sure that we maintained fit, protection, and performance, so it's packed full of premium features. Some of the key features in Mod 1 is a BOA 360-degree fit system. Goggle integration is a key focus for all the Mod helmets. Although Mod 1 does not feature the modular brim system, there is a brim filler in here for ventilation so the hot air in the goggle can escape out and out the front of the helmet. Featuring a Fidlock magnetic buckle, which is really easy to use with gloves on. The ear pad and headliner are removable if you prefer to run your goggle strap under your helmet. They're also machine washable. The Mod 1 Snow Helmet, the newest member of the Mod series.